Hi guys, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and thank you for watching today. I'm going to show you guys two alternate cards that you can make using the February Paper Pumpkin Kit, which is Grown with Kindness and featuring the super cute succulents and basic black, fresh fig. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to need to do is grab the basic black card base. Sorry, that is my cutting board. Basic black cardstock back. I'm going to use everything that came in the kit. I'm not using anything extra. You could if you want to embellish it, but I'm showing you alternate cards you can make using the kit and everything you have inside your kit. So I am going to go kind of fast because I really want to keep this video short. I know it's hard to stay tuned long videos. So we're going to take this piece that has the cups with the succulents, and we're going to just cut the top off of that. Oh, holy moly. Sorry. I will get a better video system, but right now it's right in front of me. So we're going to just cut off the top, and you want to push it in all the way up until the top of this little cactus right here. Okay, so find the top of that cactus. That's where you want to cut it. Is it exact? No, but you're going to have a piece that's looks like that and this piece. Okay, and we're going to use this piece for this card, and you're going to use this piece. So now you want to cut off this piece, and we're going to save this one for the next card. So we want about let's see, what is that, 2 inches? I hate it when it's like a little bit less. 2 dashes less than 2 inches. I don't even know what that means, but I know it's some kind of eighths, but 2 dashes less than 2 inches. So you're going to end up with a piece like this. This is the one we're going to use for this card. And then we're going to save this one with the little top of it. It kind of look like reeds. That's going to go to the next card. So I'm going to set that aside. And then, so that's going to be this piece that we're going to stamp on. And yes, it's not going to be exact as this other card. That's okay, because the same person's not going to get that card. So don't even worry about that. Here's your vellum, and we're going to line everything up on the vellum and glue it down. So first we'll cut all our pieces, and then we'll glue them to the vellum. So we have this piece. Now we need this cup piece right here. So we're going to take that same piece we cut the top off of, and you're just going to cut it down this cactus right here. And let me give you the width of that. It's going to be, what is that? Oh, again with the 1 line under 1.5 inches. So 1 line under 1.5 inches. And I'm sorry, I know it's eighths. It's at 1 7/8, I think. Excuse me. So turn it maybe this way, and we're going to do one line under the 1 in, what did I say? Jeez Louise. I'm terrible at math. And okay, so 1 line under 1.5 inches. Okay. I'm really bad at math, really bad at fractions and all this stuff. So really, just do it however you think that actually was right. I think it's 1 7/8 inches, but just do the best you can. So that's going to go there. I'm going to kind of line this up so I know where I'm at too. So it's going to go like that. All right, and now we're going to cut some succulents, and I have some pieces left over from my other card, so I'm going to go ahead and use that for this one, I think, because I don't want to cut into a new piece yet. So for this piece here, you want to use an inch in, again with the 7/8, I think, 1 7/8, because it wants to be the same width as that one, and 1 1/4 inches. Okay, I think we can do that. Excuse me. So 1 1/4 inches, and let's see, 1 7/8. Okay. 1 7/8 was So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 7/8. Okay, I think it's there. We shall see. If it's wrong, oh well, that's what I say. And then we wanted, what did I say? This way is 1.25 inches. Yep, 1.25 inches. So the other direction, you want to do 1.25 inches. And again, I will put, I'm going to cut off this side. I will put all of these measurements, I'll try to put them on my blog. So just stay tuned for that, because that will help you. And that's going to go there. Okay. And then, you see that? Right there. Okay. And then we need 2 more pieces of succulents at the top. Okay. I need to speed this up a little bit. I don't know how to do 2 cards. Ooh. Okay. Again with the weird 1 7/8 thing, I think. Because 1.5 is there. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 1 3/8 ish. It's supposed to be the same width as this, actually. So yeah, it's like 1 3/8 or something. So what I would do, and you can cut this how, like, whatever. If you want this side, use this side. If you like this side, use this side. I like the spiky one, but I like this bright green. So I mean, it really does not matter. But you're going to end up needing 2 pieces. So however you want to do that. And I said 1, and basically it's the line, 1 line under, 1.5 inches. I think that's 3/8 ish. 1 line under, 1.5 inches. Let's just do that, because I just want to see if that's about the same. Yeah, one line under, 1.5 inches. Sorry for the vagueness. And it's going to need to be an inch and about 1 3/4 inches. So once you get the width down, 1 3/4 inches. So 1 3/4 inches. There you go. This piece is going to go there. Oh, it's so cute. This is so cute. What a fun kit. All these fresh, pretty succulents that really look like 3D. Sorry about my nails. I need to get them done. Okay. And I do them myself. So I need time for that. Okay. This is about 2 inches. Let's start there. And if you put it on and it looks off, just trim it down. So 2 inches by 1.5 inches. Okay. I'm going to go with this side. 2 inches. Let's do that one. 2 inches by 1.5 inches. And just set aside the extra pieces, because you can make another card with that. So that's done. And that piece is going to go right there. It is a little wide, so you can just wing it and just trim off. Looks like 1/8 of an inch. So I'm just going to go back in here and just, you can just wing it. Just take off 1/8. Okay. Looks good to me. All right, does that look good? Okay, so now we're going to ink up our stamp. And I think the perfect stamp that fits in that spot is this right here. It is, be kinder to yourself and let your kindness flood the world. Beautiful and sweet. And I like that. So you're just going to, when I have a big stamp and a tiny stamp pad, I turn it over and do it this way, as opposed to trying to put on this tiny little stamp pad. So just ink it up pretty good and get it on your finger, because that's always helpful to, you know, transfer to your paper. Turn it whichever way. I don't think it matters. Whichever way will fit. And if this is too small, which mine is almost too small, it's probably going to be really close, but I think it's going to fit. Get a good stamped image there. And voila. A little tiny spot that I missed. You can go back over it because it has, these are clear stamps. But it's up to you. You know, you don't have to. Now, here's the trick for this part. Pay attention because this is tricky. You don't want the glue or your tape runner tape stuff to show through the vellum. So what I do is first you're going to glue down or tape down all of your little pieces. Now to kind of gauge where it's going to go, I would just do that. And I might need to come over a little more. Oops. Is it? Yeah. Okay, we're good. Okay, maybe just hold it there first. Kind of estimate. Okay, that's good. That's better. Okay. This one. How is this video already 11 minutes long? I'm sorry. If you're sticking with me this long, you're a trooper. I love you. Thank you. Because these videos, like, I mean, if I had everything pre-cut and done, then it would go really quickly. But I wanted you to see how I'm cutting these pieces because you're going to be cutting them. And yes, I'll have the measurements, but you're going to be like, oh, how did she cut that? I need to see it. So that's why I wanted to show you. I'm going to make a separate video for the other one because I don't want this video to be like 20 minutes. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe I could like speed video it, right? Okay, and that one you're just gonna turn. It's so cute, and then you're gonna leave a little bit of a gap again. Put that there, and like my honkin' tape gun. I love it. It just never runs out. Unlimited supply of tape. Okay. Good. Is it perfect? No. Is stamping, crafting perfect? No, it's not. And my snips. Stampin' Up! Does sell a little doohickey that picks up little embellishments. I need to get it. I don't have it. Would it be handy? Yes, absolutely. So, might get that. And you just put these, like wherever. Put it in threes. That's what they say, right? So cute. Okay, now those are on, and if you want to do the tape glue before that, that's a good idea. I'm only going to put this on the back where there is paper, so don't put it where the vellum is because it might show through. That's what I was talking about. Direct placement of the glue behind the pieces of paper, not like in the cracks, because just don't want it to show through. I don't know if it would, but we don't want it to because it might. All right, and once you get a little bit on each piece, there you go. You're ready to set it on there. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. There you go. And here's the other one. Very similar. Perfect. No, but you're giving them to two different people, so they're not going to compare them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this alternate card. I really want to show you the other one, but I'm afraid that the other one's going to take a long time. This video is going to be like 30 minutes long. So what I will do is cut it short. Thank you for watching. I'm going to do a second video right after for this card. So if you want to stay tuned, stay on my channel, and we'll do this card next. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.